Downloading data from SoundCloud can be useful for offline listening or analysis. Follow these steps to successfully download audio from the platform. Step 1. Create a SoundCloud account. If you don't already have an account, visit the SoundCloud website and sign up for a free account. This will allow you to access more features and content on the platform. Step 2. Find the track. Use the search bar to locate the track you want to download. You can search by some title, artist, or genre to find the specific audio file you are interested in. Step 3. Check download availability. Not all tracks on SoundCloud are available for download. Look for a download button below the track. If it is available, you can proceed to the next step. If not, you may need to look for another track or use alternative methods. Step 4. Click the download button. If the download option is available, click the download button. The audio file will begin downloading to your device, typically saved in your default downloads folder. Step 5. Access your downloaded file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device as downloads folder to find the audio file. You can now play it offline or use it as needed. By following these steps, you can easily download audio tracks from SoundCloud for personal use. Enjoy your music.